Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here, back in the LDRS studio, and I am back with sneak peek number 3 for our October 9th HSN shows. Those of you that know me know that I love owls, but you also know that I love gnomes. Those are two things that I, for some reason, cannot resist buying when the holidays come around. I buy little owl decorations like for the tree, but I also love little Christmas gnomes. So you already saw our gnome card making kit, but what you haven't seen is the gnome stamps. Look, look, look. Look at that little house. Isn't that cool? It's not really little, it's actually kind of big. This is a big stamp set. Check that out. This is a 5x7 stamp set. These stamps are all in rubber because there's a ton of detail. They're so gorgeous. This comes with the house with this beautiful little tag down here. Gorgeous sentiments. Look at those little, these are little gnome, oh my goodness, what are they called? Snowmen. For goodness sake. Snowmen. Look at these guys. Look how cute they are. All 4 of these are going to be part of the Snow Place Like Home set. So this is set number 1. There's a set number 2. Wait till you see this one. You get another home. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Doesn't it just look like where the gnomes would live? I kind of would like to live there myself, or maybe just visit and vacation or something. Check that out. Look at that. Awesome. Big, beautiful. These are rubber stamps. These are foam mounted, contour cut. Look at him by the fire. How cute. Number 2 and number 3. Look at them out on a limb right there. They're so cute. Okay? So there's 2 sets. All right? We've got set number 1. This one is called Winter Wishes. And then we have set number 2. That one is Snow Place Like Home, right? That's not all there is. There's also going to be an additional set of 2 more gnomes. Look at that you can buy. Look at them. Aren't they so awesome? They're on that ornament. And then these guys are wrapping up that present. It takes 3 of them. You know, how many gnomes does it take to wrap a present? Well, apparently 3. How cool. I'm going to show you some of these cards because they're just going to blow your mind. When my team started sending these in for the show, I'll tell you, it was like Christmas for me. Goodness, look at that. Look at that. I seriously think that if I had created this card to give away to somebody, I would either have to make a second one or I just wouldn't give it away, to be honest with you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Watch. How cute. I just love them. Look at that. Look at that nose on him. I love gnomes. They're just so fun. I just love them. Winter Wishes. That's one of the sentiments that comes with it. How beautiful. Look at the dimension on that card. How much fun. Even the inside is done. How cool. Look at these little trees. They're like little mushroom trees. Adorable. This one, watch, this one has movement. Let's see if I can make that drop. Ah! Look at that. It's like a shooting star. Isn't that cool? Look at here. Look how that's colored. So pretty. Got that gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery silver paper in the background. Who doesn't love a wobble? Look at, I'm not hitting it. There we go. And look, the amazing little house in the background. How sweet. I just love that. Let me show you one more. We've combined a couple of them. So we have the 2 guys here that are like out on a limb on that tree. And then this guy is just kind of swinging from it. How much fun is that? I love them. Sorry, I had to sing for a moment. Okay, so do you want to win? Do you want to win? We're going to do a giveaway. And the giveaway is not going to be for 1 set. It's not going to be for 2 sets. It's going to be for the entire collection of all of these gnome stamps. And you know what? I want you to tell me, go through those little pictures of those gnomes. I want to know which one of those gnomes is your favorite. And I want you to put that in the comment section down below. And on October 7th, 2 days before the show, because the show is October 9th, on October 7th, you're going to go to our Facebook page, our Facebook group, And I'm going to announce the winner there. There's going to be one winner of all of this gnome goodness here. And when we get back from HSN, we'll get that shipped out to the winner. So you will know before the show airs if you've won or not. And if you win, congratulations. If not, you'll still be able to get your gnome sets. And you're going to want to look for this. So mark this down on your calendar. It's October 9th. And you're going to look for me on the 7 a.m. show, the 4 p.m. show, and the 11 p.m. show. It's going to be somewhere in those hours you'll look for me. And we've got so much fun stuff. I'm so excited. I can't wait for Christmas already. And I can't wait to see you guys from HSN on October 9th. So make sure you mark your calendars. Join me then. And leave your comment below. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you love these stamps as much as we do. Bye for now.